Say hi, City. What you doing? She's looking at me funny. All right, guys, it is 9:30. I just got done playing about 2 hours of volleyball. Actually got quite a good workout in. So I am literally just going to eat what you guys just last saw me. That sounds really good. I really want pickles and ham again. So that's what I'm going to do. Then I'm going to watch a movie because now I'm hyper because I just played a tournament. And then I'm going to go to bed. So anyways, I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, so here's lunch. I have one rib with homemade sauce, a salad with grapeseed oil, and IGP balsamic, and then here's the whole thing of ribs that I made. I might have another one if I'm hungry, but this will probably be just fine, so there's lunch. Snack time. I have Carb Smart ice cream, a little less than a cup, one of my guilt-free brownies, some peppermint and cacao nibs, so all in this jar. There's snack. It's about 5 o'clock. I have volleyball at 7, so I thought I would like to eat a little bit lighter. I might eat more when I'm done, but this is what I'm gonna eat now. Hey everyone, I'm gonna do another what I eat in a day. I actually today, just to even show you, I did have like this portion. I just had a piece of quiche today that just, it sounded really good, and I made it for everyone, and I really wanted to enjoy it. And mostly there's a ton of vegetables in here. Hamburger, a little bit of egg and cheese, and then there is the crust. But I like to get to have a little bit of this every now and then, and I find it does not throw my weight loss off, and it doesn't really even throw me out of ketosis. So I felt like having a piece today, and so that's what I had for breakfast. And then I did my usual coffee too, but I didn't really feel like drinking it, so I only drank about half of it. And with that, I used the cashew milk, and actually really like this now, the new stevia. So that was my breakfast. Okay, it's 9:40 and I am hungry, so I'm gonna have a hard-boiled egg.